What's up guys, I'm Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today I'll prepare deep fried shrimp coated with panko, the Japanese breadcrumb. This is not an authentic Japanese recipe as I've added some seasonings to the flour to improve the flavor such as a garlic powder and some paprika. So it's my interpretation of panko shrimp. And I use panko instead of the regular breadcrumb because panko will make the shrimp crunchier and the crunchiness lasts longer. Let's get into the details how to make panko shrimp. These are the shrimp that I got it from the market. I've already washed it, devein, remove the shell and leave the tail on for better presentation. I can use it now, but now I want to soak it in water and add it with 2 teaspoons of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda. Salt, baking soda. This is an optional step. Baking soda increases the shrimp's pH and helps retain moisture as it cooks. And salt helps to boost the shrimp's flavor and make it crunchier. This is also the method that is used by many dim sum chefs when they make shrimp dumplings. 10 minutes is up. So after soaking, I'm going to wash the shrimp with plenty of water to remove the baking soda and the extra salts. Okay, I've washed it with plenty of water and now I drain it in a colander. And since I'm going to deep fry it, I want to make sure that the shrimps are dried enough. So I put it on a kitchen towel and pat dry. Let's set up a breading station to coat the shrimp with the flour, egg and panko before deep frying. This is all-purpose flour. You can just use it as it is, but I prefer to add some seasoning to make it tastier. A little bit of salt, some ground pepper, garlic powder, some paprika for extra flavor, little bit of turmeric for flavor and color, as for the egg, you have to mix the egg yolk and the egg white thoroughly. Otherwise, the egg white will just slip away from the shrimp and will not adhere properly. It is easier to mix if you add a little bit of water. The last item is panko, the Japanese breadcrumb. You can use the ordinary breadcrumb, it's just that the panko is crunchier. I'll season the panko just like the flour. Hold the tail of the shrimp, put the shrimp into the flour, and then shake off the excess, transfer it to the egg wash, and then put it on top of the bed of breadcrumb, cover it with the breadcrumb, lightly press it, remove it, and set aside. I'll deep fry this shrimp today, and for this one I'm going to put it into the freezer. This panko shrimp is freezer friendly. Heat the oil until about 170 degrees Celsius. Lower the shrimp into the oil and deep fry until golden brown, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Try not to crowd the pan so the shrimp will not stick together. And then transfer the shrimp to a cooling rack. Let's take a look at the shrimp that I put in the freezer. Now it's already hardened and they will not stick together anymore. So what I'm going to do now is to put all the shrimp into a freezer bag. And I can keep it for the next round when I need to have this Panko shrimp again. That's how to make Panko shrimp, and I hope you love it. You can use it as a side dish, serve it along with a dipping sauce. The simplest form is mayonnaise or some honey mustard. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.